So I'd like to add some content and some pages, I guess, to my website. So what do I do?
Okay, like in all things, you start off by going to WP admin. Oh, you've lost the help web demo. That will work. Okay, and here we are at dashboard. So you want to work with pages. So click on the pages thing. At the moment, we've got one page already there that's called About, because WordPress always adds a page called that anyway. Do you want a page called About?
Yes, that
Great.
makes sense.
So we can just edit that one then.
So I should just add some content in here?
Yeah, in a second it'll come up with...
oh, I see.
This is just stuff that WordPress adds automatically, so you can get rid of all of that. And maybe just type in some holding copy for now.
Okay.
Okay. Let's just say add copy here for the About page, so that we know what page we'll be working with. Great. And then just click on Update.
Okay.
Great. Okay. Let's add some more pages.
Add new?
Yep. What's another page that you want to add?
I'd like to have portfolio.
Okay.
Okay.
And just make a note here that we're going to add some images. Yeah, and later on we'll talk about images and image galleries to show how they can work. Now, because this is just a draft page, normally I'd say click the Save Draft button, but actually, for the sake of the demo, we want to see what happens when it's published. So we'll click on Publish. Great, okay, let's make another page. Add New. What's this one going to be?
Contact.
Cool. And in another tutorial we're going to show how to add a contact form to the page using a plugin called Contact Form 7. So we'll just make a note that we're going to do that here later.
And then publish it.
Yeah. And let's add one more.
Well, we need a home page.
Okay, so add new. Great, and publish that too. So that was easy. Let's click on the visit site to see how that looks. Oh wow, you can see something great's happened, which is for all of the pages that you've just created, WordPress has automatically created navigation items for them. Let's just click on the pages that you made to see how that's worked. Oh, okay, and then, right, so it's definitely worked. And you can see that because you're still logged in, there's a point here which says edit. Now if you weren't logged in, if you were just a normal visitor, you wouldn't see that, you would just see the content. But because you're logged in as admin, you're able to go straight from this back to editing the page if you want to.
Oh,
so
that's handy.
I'll click on edit to show how that works. Okay, and I'll go back in my browser. Okay, but there are some things wrong with what we're looking at.
Yes, I can see there are two home pages.
And there's this home here, so that's a problem. And also, I noticed that we're able, at the moment, people are able to add comments to your pages, and I think that makes sense for when you have a blog, but when you have static pages like this, it's probably not what you want.
No, I don't want that.
Okay, so we'll have to get rid of that. So we need to do two more things straight away, which is get rid of this extra home button here, get rid of the comments, and there's one more thing. Are you happy with the order in which these buttons have appeared?
No, I'd want home to be first, then portfolio, then contact, and then about.
Okay, well, we'll fix that. Let's start off by getting rid of that extra home. Can you go back to WP admin? Okay. The reason this happens is there's a setting down here in settings under reading. At the moment, we have this setting here which is front page displays, and it's set to your latest posts.
So that would be for a blog or something,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, and it just so happens that the theme that we're using calls the page with your latest posts on, it calls it home. We don't want our latest posts on our home page, we want a static page, so we'll change it to a static page, and we'll choose home. You'll notice this is the list of pages that you've made. We'll choose that one, save those changes, and now we'll visit the site. Great, that's fixed.
Okay.
We've got the right home and just the pages that you've made there.